Okay, so this video is on Boeing. Recently, they just announced that they delivered 130 jets overall in the first quarter, and that's compared to 95 jets delivered a year ago in the same quarter. However, this morning they just announced that they have more 737 MAX issues. Boeing warned investors of reduced production and deliveries of the 377 MAX plane as they are experiencing quality issues with one of their vendors who supplies parts. In particular, the company is Spirit Aerosystems. Now, the good part is that the industry is facing a widespread shortage of jets. I believe Air India ordered what was Boeing's fourth largest order in history. This was an order along with Airbus. So, what does the 737 MAX deliveries look like moving forward? Well, in 2021, they delivered 263 Maxes. 2022, they delivered 374 737 Maxes. And their guidance for this year was 445 737 Maxes. Now, obviously, that's going to pull back. But on the news, the price dropped $19. So we're just going to analyze the chart right now to see uh, where price is headed. So this is the monthly chart. We can see that back in November of last year, price finally breached and closed above the long-term downtrend line that started back in March of 2019 when price was at $440. And you can see from the monthly chart now that price has been range bound for the last couple of months. This current red candle is most likely from the news today, but we'll get into that. If we go to the weekly chart, um, again we can see uh, the range bound sideways price action a bit more. Now, on the weekly, we do have a gap that needs to be filled at 190. Now, this gap up higher tells me that there are weekly buyers down here. So I'm going to denote that. And that level is at 188. Now, I like this setup because this could be a bear trap. Now, if we look a little bit closer, these wicks indicate that there were buyers here. So there's definitely buyers a little lower. And what I mean by a bull bear trap, price could break out of this range only to be met with buyers to bring price higher. Let's just go look at that level on the daily, and you can see you had a lot of basing and then you had a breakout. So I like this level here. I'm actually going to put an alert. Now, if we go back to the monthly chart, I do have a target at 280 over the longer term. Why that target? Well, we have monthly sellers up here. And you know that because you have this red monthly extended range candle. Price came back and then dropped again. So there are sellers up in this area here. Maybe it gets there next year. I'm not sure, but that's the analysis on Boeing. I be keeping abreast on the news. Pullback might be a buying opportunity if price can get to the 188 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.